Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate your time. I just wanted to ask you a few questions, okay?
Okay.
All right. So why did you go solar?
Well, we had gotten several pamphlets and phone calls about it, or probably the year prior, and we hadn't thought much of it. And then we got some more, and then we got a phone call asking, hey, no commitment, but would you be interested in hearing us out? And we did, and after going through the process and seeing, the benefits and stuff, we decided to go ahead and go for it.
Amazing. So how would you say the process has been so far?
Well, it was super easy. Everyone we talked to was super informative. Any questions we had, they answered, right away. And if they personally didn't know, they got someone that did know very quickly to get back with us. So the whole process was very informed and very smooth.
Amazing. So with all of this being said, would you recommend any of your friends or neighbors to go with green home systems?
Oh, absolutely. Just because of how easy the process was start to finish. It definitely is something I would recommend to anyone I know.
Perfect. Perfect. Well, you know what? I think you did an amazing job, and I really appreciate you answering all of my questions.
Not a problem.
Awesome. Thank you so much.